This $100 microphone can do it all, but not a lot of people talk about it. So in this video, I'm going to tell you all about it and show you how I use it for all my videos. I'm also going to let you in on how I get it from sounding like this to sounding like this. Hello everyone, it's Riej and welcome back to another video. Let me first get the specs out of the way. The Shure SM57 is an XLR dynamic low impedance microphone from Shure with a frequency response of 40 Hz to 15 kHz and a cardioid pull apart in picking up sounds from in front and rejecting sounds from the side and back. And all this basically means that it's a great mic with a very low noise floor capable of being used in all sorts of scenarios and does not require a lot of power to operate. The mic's capsule is basically the same or very similar to that of the Shure SM58 and the legendary Shure SM7B, the most popular microphone in the world, used by almost any well-known podcaster you can think of, so I don't even have to tell you that the SM57 is solid when it comes to sound quality. The main differences though between the SM57 and the SM7B is the design and the placement of the capsule. You see, unlike the famous SM7B's cylindrical hollow casing, which partly makes it sound like it does, and the really effective electromagnetic shielding on the capsule that also increases the distance from the front of the mic to the capsule, basically reducing its proximity effect while also making it less sensitive in general. The SM57 is basically bare bones in the shape of a typical microphone, but with nothing protecting the capsule. When looking at the microphone from the front, you can see the exposed capsule, so it's pretty much understandable how sensitive it is to mouth noises and breath sounds if you use it without the windscreen, which is why it's almost always advisable to have a windscreen on the SM57, not just to reduce plosives, but to also protect the capsule, especially when using it for vocals. Shure makes the A2WS popper stopper, as they call it, that you can buy for the SM57, and I have to say it looks quite good on the mic and helps a lot with reducing unwanted sounds. Although when I'm recording voiceover, I like to use another pop filter on top of that, and I find that that's more effective in reducing plosives. You see, Shure themselves market the SM57 as a dynamic instrument microphone, and while it's a very popular microphone in studio environments and live music settings, I'll show you in this video that this mic can do a whole lot more than that. In fact, this is the only microphone I own, and I've used it for almost every video on this channel, including this one. Yeah, this very video. And this one, and this one, and even this one where I boomed the mic right out of frame here. I'm telling you, the Shure SM57 can do it all. But unlike my Rode Wireless Mini USB mic that I used before this one, you can't just plug and play with the SM57. So you're going to need a good audio interface with enough gain to power it, because it requires around 56 decibels of gain to get around optimum levels. I used the Focusrite Vocaster 1, an excellent yet very affordable audio interface with 70 dBs of clean gain and a very good auto gain function if you're new to audio interfaces, and it works perfectly for me. And that means you'll also need a digital audio workstation or DAW or a software to record your audio. I use Adobe Audition, which is a paid app, because it has a really great noise reduction effect, but there are loads of free softwares that you can use. The Vocaster one that I used comes with the light version of Hindenburg, a professional digital audio workstation that has everything you're going to need to record your audio. And if you don't have that, you could use Audacity, which is a free audio recording and editing app, or even QuickTime if you use a Mac. Oh, and everything I use or recommend will be linked in the description. For videos like this where I only have to record voiceover, I only record in Adobe Audition. And then after I've gone through and recorded my voiceover, I go ahead and apply Audition's noise reduction to my audio. I have a short video on the channel and in the description showing you exactly how I do that. And then I export it as a 32-bit WAV file and bring it into my video editor, which is DaVinci Resolve Studio. So while in Resolve, the first thing I do is normalize the audio to -2 dBFS, and then I apply an audio preset I created to it in the Fairlight tab. It's basically a compressor with a couple of EQs, the main one making it sound a lot more like the SM7B, and a de-esser to reduce sibilance, as the SM57 is quite prone to amplify the S sound. If you're interested in getting this Fairlight preset, I'll put it up in my store, so you can either pay what you want to support the channel, or put $0 to get it for free. When it comes to build quality, the Shure SM57 is built like a tank. It's got a rugged, all-metal construction that can withstand the kind of wear and tear you'd expect from a mic that is built to withstand abuse of live performances. You can drop it, toss it in a bag, and it will still perform like new. And in as much as this mic is a great mic in my opinion, it doesn't come without downsides. The main one being that it doesn't come with a windshield for such a sensitive microphone, so that's something you'd have to invest in. And if you want a simple mic that you can plug into your computer to record audio, this isn't for you. So even though it's a very affordable mic for the quality that you get, if you have a budget of below $150, you should probably get a USB microphone. Just don't go out and buy the SM57 alone thinking it will improve your audio overnight, especially if you're just starting out. My advice would be to start with whatever phone or microphone you have laying around and build it up from there. But for me and my workflow, I cannot recommend the Shure SM57 enough, especially if you need one mic to do it all for YouTube and you care about sound quality. And that's even if you want to boom it once in a while. Well, there you have it. This has been my review of the Shure SM57 and how I use it to get great sounding audio like you're listening to. I hope you liked it. And what microphone do you currently have? Let me know down in the comments. And if you did enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos. Thanks a lot for watching, and until next time, cheers.